and show you how PENWOK empowers you to achieve your financial goals. An account is a type of event that will allow you to track your income and expenses at the same time that you create and manage your budget. PENWOK allows you to track your personal and business finances within the platform. Contrary to what most people think, most of our income and expenses are actually predictable. Having this information scheduled will facilitate the creation of a budget at the same time that makes your cash flow more visible. Let's jump right into it. In order to help you get acclimated with the system, we have created few accounts on your behalf. Those documents can be modified or deleted based on your needs. Now let's take a look at the steps required to create a new account. To begin, within the app, click on the Add button. From there, you can select a category for your account. Whether it's for personal, business, or other purposes, this option will help you keep your accounts well organized. Once you have chosen a category, you can select the importance level of your account, normal, high, or hidden, also known as confidential. This feature allows you to prioritize your documents based on their significance. If you want to add a website to your account, simply insert an external link. This option creates a convenient shortcut to your desired websites, making access quick and effortless. For the purpose of this example, we are going to create a subscription for Netflix. The phone field is particularly useful if you need to set a reminder for a call. By entering a phone number, you can easily keep track of important phone-related tasks. The location field enables you to utilize the map function on mobile devices, helping you navigate and associate specific locations with your account. The title provides a brief description of the account. It must have at least 6 characters. The content field allows you to add details about the account. It has a limit of 2,000 characters. This field is optional. Now select Yes in the option Add into Calendar. Once the calendar has been expanded, please select the date and time. Please select this option if you want to add this event in the last day of the month. Select the account type from the list. Accounts can be income, subscriptions, and payments. For the purpose of this video, we are going to select subscription. Insert the amount. This value can be adjusted every month. Choose the frequency. Select either one-time event or pick a recurrent event available in the platform. For this particular case, we are going to select monthly. Once the frequency has been selected, please select the time frame. The time frame will determine how long this event will be in your calendar. For this example, we are going to select 1 year. Now that we have completed our document, finish it by just simply clicking the Create Document button. Confirm in the pop-up window. Congratulations! You have just learned how to create a new account in PENWOK. Once the account has been created, go to Expenses Summary. Within the summary, you will be able to see the monthly values for the subscription that we just created. Streamline your life and eliminate the need for multiple apps or platforms. Whether you're capturing important ideas, organizing your daily agenda, or tracking expenses, PENWOK has got you covered. Hope this video made your days easier. Thank you for watching.